everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we learn essay on time management. So let's start. Introduction. Time management means using time wisely to complete tasks effectively. It is an important skill that helps people achieve their goals and reduce stress. When we manage our time well, we can balance work, study and personal life easily. Importance of time management. Increase productivity. When we plan our time, we can complete more tasks in less time. Reduce stress. Proper time management helps us avoid last-minute rush and stress. Helps in achieving goals. When we use time wisely, we can focus on our dreams and achieve success. Creates discipline. Following the schedule makes us more organized and responsible. Tips for effective time management. First is make a to-do list. Writing down tasks helps us stay organized and remember important things. Second is prioritize tasks. We should complete important and urgent tasks first. Third is avoid distraction. Reducing phone usage and social media can save a lot of time. Fourth is set deadlines. Giving ourselves a time limit for tasks helps in completing them on time. Fifth is take breaks. Short breaks refresh our minds and improve focus. Conclusion is time management is a key to success in life. By using time wisely, we can complete our tasks smoothly and achieve our goals. Everyone should develop good time management habits to lead a happy, successful life. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel.